This 2016 Prime Time Avenger ATI 26BB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Manheim, Pennsylvania, 17545 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Manheim. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Prime Time is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.